Want to retire early? These 5 passive income ideas are the secrets rich people use to build wealth while they sleep. Forget the get-rich-quick schemes. I'm giving you the real, proven strategies that actually work. After years of testing these myself, I can say building multiple income streams is the most powerful move for your financial future. In this video, I'll break down my top 5 legitimate passive income streams, from those needing some capital to ones you can start with almost nothing. Grab a coffee, take notes, and let's dive in. First up, the king of passive income real estate investing. You don't need hundreds of thousands to start. The classic model is buying a rental property, single-family, duplex or small apartment, finding tenants, and collecting rent. After covering mortgage, taxes, and repairs, the rest is cash flow. Plus, your tenants pay down your loan and your property appreciates. But being a landlord isn't totally passive. That's where property management companies come in. They handle the headaches for a small fee, making your investment much more hands-off. Want to start with little money? Try house hacking. Buy a duplex, live in one unit, rent out the others. Your tenant's rent can cover most or all of your mortgage. FHA loans let you put down as little as 3.5%, making entry easier. Or pool resources with friends or family to buy together. If you want zero landlord duties, look at REITs, real estate investment trusts. These are like mutual funds for real estate, letting you invest in huge property portfolios with just a few dollars. REITs pay out at least 90% of their income as dividends, making them a steady, truly passive income source. You can buy REITs through any brokerage, and they're as easy to trade as stocks. For beginners, a REIT ETF like Vanguard's VNQ gives you instant diversification across the real estate market. So, whether you buy a property or invest in REITs, real estate is a cornerstone for building long-term wealth and passive income. Don't let the high price tag scare you. Get creative, start small, and let your money work for you. Real estate isn't just for the ultra-rich. With the right strategy, anyone can get in the game. Remember, the goal is to build assets that pay you, not the other way around. Start with what you have, automate where you can, and watch your wealth grow. Real estate is about smart leverage and patience. The earlier you start, the more you benefit from appreciation and compounding. Don't wait for the perfect time. Start learning, start small, and scale up. Whether you want hands-on or hands-off, there's a real estate path for you. The key is to take action and let time do the heavy lifting. Real estate is a proven path to financial freedom. Make it part of your wealth-building plan. Let's move to the next passive income powerhouse. Next up, dividend stocks, the queen of passive income. When you own shares in companies like Coca-Cola or Johnson & Johnson, you get paid dividends just for holding their stock. These companies reward shareholders with regular payments, usually every quarter, regardless of the stock price. The real magic? Reinvesting those dividends. Each payout buys you more shares, which means bigger future dividends. A snowball effect that grows your wealth over time. You don't need to be a Wall Street pro. Open a brokerage account and start with a dividend-focused ETF like SCHD or VYM for instant diversification and low fees. Look for dividend aristocrats, companies that have increased their dividends for 25+ years. They're reliable, stable, and committed to rewarding investors. Set up automatic deposits, turn on dividend reinvestment, DRIP, and let compounding work its magic. Don't panic when the market dips. Stick to your plan and keep investing. Even small, consistent investments can grow into a passive income machine over time. The best part? Your income isn't tied to your hours. With patience and discipline, your dividends can eventually cover your bills or even your entire lifestyle. Start now, automate your investments, and let your money hustle for you. Dividend investing is simple, powerful, and accessible to everyone. Focus on quality companies and consistency. The earlier you start, the more you benefit from compounding. Don't overthink it, just get started. Over time, you'll see your passive income grow. This is how the wealthy build streams of income that last. Make dividend stocks a core part of your financial plan. Let's move on to a passive income idea that leverages your creativity. Ready to create something once and sell it forever? Let's go. Third on the list, creating and selling digital products. This is perfect if you have a skill, knowledge, or passion because you can scale infinitely with almost no extra cost. Think ebooks, online courses, templates, printables, or digital art. Create it once, sell it over and over 24/7 to a global audience. Start by identifying a specific problem you can solve. The more niche, the better. For example, instead of a generic "how to be happy" course, create a 30-day mindfulness program for busy professionals. Use platforms like Teachable, Kajabi, or Etsy to host and sell your products. The upfront work is real. Research, create, design, and set up your sales page. But once it's live, sales can roll in while you sleep. Printables are a hidden gem. Design planners, invitations, or wall art in Canva. List them on Etsy, and let customers download instantly. Start small. A simple ebook or a set of templates is enough to test the waters and build confidence. Each product is a digital asset that can generate income for years with minimal effort. Promote your products through social media, blogs, or email lists to reach more buyers. The key is to solve a real problem for a specific audience. Your first product might only make $50 a month, but that's $50 you didn't have before, and it's passive. As you learn what works, you can expand your offerings and scale up. Digital products break the link between your time and your income. You can sell 10 or 10,000 copies with the same effort. Focus on quality, not quantity. Build a brand around your expertise. The more value you provide, the more you'll earn. Digital products are the ultimate leverage for creators. Create once, sell forever. Start today. Your future self will thank you. Ready for another online income stream? Let's talk about getting paid to recommend. Here's how affiliate marketing works. Fourth, affiliate marketing, one of the easiest ways to start earning passive income online. You earn commissions by recommending products you love. No need to create your own product or handle shipping. Sign up for affiliate programs, get your unique tracking link, and share it on your blog, YouTube, or social media. When someone buys through your link, you get paid. The secret to making it passive: create evergreen content like a blog post or YouTube review that keeps attracting visitors and earning commissions long after you publish it. Focus on products you genuinely use and believe in. Your audience's trust is everything. Pick a niche you're passionate about: finance, fitness, tech, gardening, you name it. Amazon Associates is a great starting point, but there are affiliate programs for almost every industry. As your content library grows, so does your income. Each blog post or video is like a digital employee working for you 24/7. Don't expect overnight riches. Building trust and an audience takes time. But with consistency, your affiliate income can snowball. Avoid promoting junk just for a quick buck. Protect your reputation. The more value you provide, the more you'll earn. Affiliate marketing is about helping people find great products. Start small, learn what works, and scale up. Over time, you'll have a portfolio of content generating income on autopilot. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Focus on quality, not quantity. Build your audience, build trust, and the income will follow. Affiliate marketing is a true win-win-win. Ready to automate your own online business? Let's talk about e-commerce machines. Here's how to build a business that runs itself. Last on our list, automated online businesses, specifically dropshipping and print on demand. With dropshipping, you set up an online store, list products, and when someone buys, your supplier ships directly to the customer. No inventory, no shipping hassles. Your job is to market the store and automate as much as possible order processing, emails, and customer service. Print on demand is similar, but you sell custom products like t-shirts or mugs. Upload your design, and the pod service prints and ships it for you. Both models let you focus on building a brand, not packing boxes. The key to passivity is automation. Use apps to handle orders, emails, and even customer questions. Upfront, you'll need to find a profitable niche, create great designs or source products, and build a professional-looking store. Marketing is essential. Use social media, ads, or influencers to drive traffic. Once your system is running, you can step back and let the machine work. Spend an hour or two a week optimizing ads or adding new products. The real secret? Build a brand with a clear theme and loyal audience. Don't just sell random stuff. Focus on a niche like eco-friendly gadgets or hiking gear. A strong brand means repeat customers and long-term success. Dropshipping and print on demand are perfect for creative entrepreneurs who want scalable, passive income. Start small, automate everything you can, and scale up as you grow. The more you automate, the more passive your income becomes. E-commerce is about systems, not just sales. Build your store, build your brand, and let technology do the heavy lifting. This is how you turn a side hustle into a true passive income stream. Ready to start your journey? Let's wrap up with your next steps. Passive income is within reach if you take action. Here's how to get started. There you have it. 5 powerful passive income ideas to help you build wealth and work toward early retirement. From real estate and dividend stocks to digital products, affiliate marketing, and automated e-commerce, these strategies all build assets that work for you. Remember, passive doesn't mean zero work. It means front-loading the effort to enjoy long-term rewards. Don't get stuck in analysis paralysis. Pick one idea, take action, and build momentum. Your journey to financial freedom starts with a single step. Start today. Smash the like button if you found value, and subscribe for more expert wealth-building tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.